Wait, I can actually go on the motorway.
Yes.
You're going to take me on the motorway?
Yeah. So let's do motorways today.
Oh my god. No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Is this another...
Since 2018, learners are allowed on motorways provided with a ADI, not a PDI. That's an actual approved driving instructor, not a potential driving instructor. So they have a green badge, not a pink badge. And you're in the car with dual control. So I wouldn't be able to take you on the motorway in your car.
Yeah.
But you can go with mine because I've got dual controls and obviously I'm qualified.
I did not know that.
Would you like motorway experience? Because I'll tell you this much: people who have a motorway experience have all the confidence to go on past everything. Onto the motorway we go. Nice big long slip roads. We can go a lot faster. We can go up to 4th gear because you've got a lot more distance to be able to stop in at the end. Let people know you're coming out. How are you going to do that? Fantastic. You can get into 5th gear. Get into 5th gear. Clear to come across? Yeah, perfect. Out we come. Get up to speed then. That's it. Get up to 70 as swiftly as we can. And 6th gear then, look. Good. Just take the lorry on.
Forget this car.
Yeah, let's go for it. Ready? Go around the line. Lovely. So, don't go over 70, Lottie. And there we are. We drive along at 70. So there's no rush to come in as such as there, as such. Can you see the lorry? Yeah, good. Let's check the mirror there. You see it there, that's fine. You don't need to look over your shoulder so much. So we're up at 70. Now the road's a little bit, lane's a little bit wider, there's a little bit more cut back. It feels slower than it really is. Now the big difference we've got, those Arctic lorries, coaches, anything towing anything, are not allowed in a 3rd lane. It's kind of exclusively for cars and motorbikes. So therefore we don't get that hold up where a lorry overtakes a lorry in the dual carriageway. So your average speed is going to be a lot higher. And this is really, as a consequence, going a lot faster, averagely. We just need to extend our observations around us. Now, do you know how cruise control works, Lottie?
Yeah, but I don't have to...
Okay, now this side, everything here is my cruise control. You're going to press that bottom right button there. Now, you're going to set the cruise with the bottom left button there. Press it. Come off the gas pedal, come off pedals, that's it. Now, you're now setting it at 68 miles an hour.
Yeah, and then if you put the brakes on, doesn't it?
Overrides it, and then you can just reset it. Now, if you want to go faster, press the up button there, go and take it to 70, 69, 70. Now, if you accelerate, well, you're not going to do acceleration at 70, but if you were to accelerate, it will come back to the cruise control speed. Yeah. If you braked, you can cancel it, you can pause it there by pressing that button there, temporarily, and then you can either press it again to get you back to the new old speed on the top button, or reset the bottom button to set the new speed it's come down to.
I think my car has cruise control.
Oh, that's good. And that's basically how it works. Making speed. What are we overtaking now, Lotster? Are you overtaking anything?
Not right now.
No, so come out that lane then. Go back into your lane. This one here. That's it. Keep your speed up though. You notice every time you change lanes, you're coming off the gas and you think, oh, what's there? You've got to keep that speed up. When you overtake something, it's going to catch up with you. Then now we're going to stay in your lane, look around you, hold it a bit tight. That's nice in the middle. 2 lanes there, we don't need to come in to come out. We're gaining on that lorry. It's not so urgent. As if that's a dual carriageway, we'd be coming in, wouldn't we? Now look, that lorry is coming out. Show your intention now. Signal, show your intention. That's it. Let that gap get in. Then we can come out there. What's really important, not just looking ahead down there and switching off, which is quite easy to do. And that's what the woman, the person in the cash guy did to us. So you're looking around, and you've got to buy into. I want to know what's around this car. So why shouldn't you come on a motorway and get this experience before you pass? How would you be driving if you've passed your test and come out on your own? How do you know you're doing it right or not?
Yeah, it's
ridiculous, isn't it?
In your own car.
Yeah, first time it can be. A little bit of a hill here, so just keep that speed up.
I mean, it should be like, before you take your test, you should have to do one motorway.
Yeah, but if you lived in Cornwall, you'd be a bit buggered, wouldn't you? That's the problem.
As in, if it's like in your area.
Yeah, I think so.
A certain like proximity.
absolutely. Or you need a permit to go on a motorway.
Yeah.
But if you can get it whilst you're a learner from getting lessons.
Yeah, like, or after your test.
Or after your test, you can do it. But you can do it, you get that qualification before your driving test. I mean, that's a good idea.
Pass Plus, can't you? And that's to do with motorways as well.
Well, see, Pass Plus has really gone out of fashion now because that's it. Go. Lovely, well done. That's very nice. Pass Plus has gone out of fashion because kind of the black box has taken over. What used to happen, you pay like, I don't know, 180 quid for a Pass Plus course back in the day. You come back in. And the cost of it will probably get off the cost of insurance, say I've got Pass Plus, and that would be come off the cost of the insurance. Yeah. That doesn't happen now at all. So, and also the big thing was, wow, going on motorways. Yeah. Well, we can do it now. We're doing very well. So we're gaining on that. We're overtaking. We're on overtaking lane. Someone's to overtake. They've got another lane to overtake. Keep it up 70 like you're doing. You're doing really well. Distance. So you've got to be plumb in the centre. And then you start moving across, the car's there thinking, oh my gosh, she's changing lanes massively. Keep the speed up then. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. That's it, keep it up 70. If you go faster than that, we overtake. Right, so that person's now decided not to overtake on the inside, but to do it properly on the outside. Fair enough. We're doing as much as we do. We're doing 70, we're gaining on the car. If someone else wants to do more than 70, well, that's their lookout.
Yeah.
Doing good. I like it. How are you finding this?
It's alright, but I just feel very tense.
You do feel a bit tense.
I can feel that my shoulder.
Just really. At the end of the day, we're not doing much, are we? We're doing that and looking around. This is actually about 10 times slower than the southern estate that you started off on when you had no experience. The car's moving relative to us. It's not big, but we just got to watch out for things. If speed comes out, it's going to happen quickly. We just need to be looking ahead, looking behind for things that potentially go, what's the next thing that's going to make me slow down? But at the moment, there's nothing going to make me slow down. We carry on with the speed we're at, aren't we?
Yeah.
So, I mean, the thing is, people stare ahead, but where's the stuff? This car's moving up. It's all going to be there. It's going to be there. It's going to be behind, isn't it? So we're keeping it at 70, doing good. Now you noticed on the corner that car moved out, didn't it? So I'm just wondering, is there something slow in front of it, or is he just deciding it's a Porsche thing? That's it. Doing good. Smoking a bit now. Hey. Then you move the path across that path. You're holding it very tight. What is? Put into words why this is making you tense.
I don't know. I think it's just.
Your little head. Go over that thing, whatever you do.
Like, I don't know, it's just like the lanes,
Yes.
That's right back in my eyes.
No, it's back in your eyes while moving down again. Sorry, Lottie. Should have done that. Keep the speed up then, 62, too slow. Keep up with the traffic.
Like, you know when I, like just then, I nearly went into the other lane?
Yeah. Because you're holding the steering wheel too tight.
I didn't notice that, like.
No, because you're not looking around.
But that's what I'm constantly wary of.
So you've got to be constantly just getting used to looking around, what's around me. I only want about 60% of your vision up front, the other 40% shared with the mirrors. Just check the mirrors there, just bring it out. Right, we're going to go to the outside lane now. That's it, get rid of that. Should have a nice distance, go past those cars. There we go. There we are, see? Look, we're at Palm's Way now. This is the best lane to be in if you can keep up with it, as long as you're not holding anything up. And then we'll not scroll around. We'll carry on through. Brilliant, thank you. Because this is a smart motorway down the A1, and this one is called all lanes running, where there's no permanent hard shoulder. Absolutely stupid idea. Dangerous. If you break down, you're kind of like, you really are. So they put a lay-by in it every mile. You have a blowout there, you're not going to make it.
Yeah.
Ridiculous. shoulder's just got variable speed cameras. You notice the speed cameras across the catchment to hold up. And there's another one called Dynamic Smart Motorway. Keep going. No, in this blind spot, I'd prefer you go a little bit faster, Lottie, and let's get past them. As an ideal seat, I don't want to see someone's blind spot. Yeah, the other one's a dynamic motorway where the hard shoulder is part time and rush busy times. Look at that. Why would someone do that? It's coming so close. Clearly not looking. No references. No anything. Keep going. Now what's he going to do? He's going to now do something interesting with them. Those things wobble around, so they're concertinaed in the middle. Can you speed up? Should have come across. Well, this is lane. Signal. Really subtly now. No more than that. That's it. That's enough. Don't move anymore. Just move. You don't realise you're doing it. No. Those junctions, this one. Just have to press this a little bit. It's alright. See, this lane is not a problem. You're going to come off at this junction. So now we've got a mile to go. What's your rim position there? A mile to go. Hold this tight. Now we can either go past this or we're going to come in here and roll into it. Should we come in here?
Sure.
Yeah, and then just match your speed. And just ease off. So just come off the gas here, just roll down to his speed. I mean, you're only 60 seconds away from that junction. We might as well just come in here. Wait, no, people rushing it in. Do you want to drop the gear down, do you think? Because you just drop the speed down and it'll be better off in 5th gear with that. That's it, keep up then. Keep up with that lorry. I mean, you got to make, that is your refuge area. Great. You got 1 in a mile's time. So if you break down here, first thing though, get the hell off the road if you can. If you can't, just put it into neutral, come off the gas and just roll down. See if you can freewheel down, build up a bank of traffic behind you, like a little shield. And then as soon as you stop, get on the left side of the car. Coming off here then, should be signalling now at 2 junctions, that's it. Lovely. Well done. Let's come off the gas, let's slow it down a bit. Well done. We're going A43 please, Lotster. There we go, that way. Now you've got 40 here, sort your gear out then, your speed. What gear are we going to go to? So you've got to follow the signs to Northampton, please.